30 life hacks.
All right, let's kick things off with a classic problem. The dreaded stubborn jar, but fear not, my friend. Because all you need is a simple rubber band. Just loop that bad boy around the lid of the jar, and boom, you've instantly increased your grip. Making it feel like the Incredible Hulk is twisting that lid off for you. No more embarrassing calls for help from your grandma. Next up, we're gonna turn your boring old phone into a bona fide home theater. Don't worry, you won't need to rob Best Buy for this one. Just cut a hole in the box, stick the magnifying glass in there, point your phone at it, and bam! You've got yourself a makeshift projector. That'll make your friends think you're some kind of tech wizard. Netflix and chill just got a whole lot more interesting. We've all been there. You're in the middle of wrapping a gift, feeling like a present wrapping ninja, and then bam! You can't find the end of the tape. But hold on, my friend, before you lose your sanity. Grab a humble paperclip. Just stick that paperclip on the end of the tape. Roll when you're done, and you'll never have to go on a wild goose chase for that elusive end. Again, you're welcome. Chapter 4, Sunglasses. Not just for hiding your bloodshot eyes. And in this case, the necessity is watching cat videos on your phone while pretending to be productive. That's right, we're talking about a DIY phone stand made out of your trusty sunglasses. Just pop those shades open, turn them upside down, and boom. You've got yourself a makeshift phone stand that's both stylish and functional. Plus, it'll make you look super cool and important, even if you're just watching grumpy cat memes. Chapter 5. Hammer time. No more missing fingers, let's be real. Hammering stuff can be dangerous. Just clip that bad boy onto your nail and hammer away. Without fear, no more smashed thumbs. Just pure hammering bliss. Chapter 6, Plastic Bottles. Not just for holding your tears after a breakup. All right, let's talk about recycling, baby. No, not the boring kind where you sort your trash. Just cut the top off a plastic bottle and voila. You've got yourself a funnel. That's perfect for pouring liquid. Without making a mess, it's like magic, but with less glitter and more practicality. Chapter 7. Taming the cable monster under your desk. But fear not, my friend, because we're about to conquer this cable chaos with the power of bread clips. Just grab a handful of those bad boys, label them with a permanent marker, and clip them onto your cables. Boom. No more untangling night. Just organized bliss, you're welcome. Chapter 8. Beat the heat with this DIY. It's summertime, the sun's blazing, and your apartment feels like the inside of a pizza oven. Just grab a fan, a bowl of ice, and get ready for some cool relief. Place the bowl of ice in front of the fan, turn that bad boy on, and feel the Arctic blast wash over you. It's like magic, but with less chanting and more cool air. Chapter 9, Sticky Notes. Not just for passive-aggressive office messages, but fear not, my germophobic friends, because we've got the perfect cleaning solution. The humble sticky note, just grab a fresh sticky note. Fold it in half and run the sticky side along the keys of your keyboard. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more dust bunny removal. Chapter 10. Shh. It's a secret book compartment. All right, let's be honest. Everyone loves a good secret hiding spot. There's something thrilling about having a little that only you know about. And what better place to stash your valuables than in plain sight? A book is the last place anyone would think to look. That's right. We're talking about creating a hidden compartment in a book. It's a fun and practical way to keep your treasure safe. Don't worry, you won't need any special spy gadgets for this one. This DIY project is simple and straightforward. Just grab an old book, some glue, and a cutting tool, and get ready to channel your inner secret agent. It's easier than you might think. Carefully cut out a rectangular section in the middle of the book, leaving a few pages at the beginning and end intact. Precision is key here. Glue the edges of the cut pages together to create a sturdy secret compartment. Make sure the glue is evenly applied for a clean finish. Boom, you've got a hiding spot. That's so clever, it's practically invisible. Place it back on your shelf, and no one will be the wiser happy hiding. Chapter 11, From Chaos to Culinary Order. The binder clip fridge makeover. But fear not, my disorganized friends, because we're about to conquer this culinary chaos with the power of binder clips. Just grab a handful of those bad boys and prepare to transform your fridge from a disaster zone into a thing of beauty. Boom. No more avalanche of food when you open the door. Just organize bliss and easy access to all your culinary delights. Chapter 12, Toilet Paper. Roll Symphony. Amplify your jams, you know what they say? One man's trash is another man's DIY speaker system. Just grab that cardboard tube, a pair of scissors, and your phone and get ready to pump up the volume. Let's be real, tacos are a gift from the culinary gods. Just grab a fork from your silverware drawer and prepare to become a taco assembling ninja. Hold the taco shell upright with the fork and fill it with all your favorite toppings. Imagine this, the power goes out, your phone is dead, and you're surrounded by darkness. Just grab an orange, some oil, and prepare to be amazed. Cut the orange in half, carefully scoop out the flesh, leaving the peel intact. Pour some oil into the empty orange, using the peel as a wick light. The peel and boom. You've got yourself a makeshift candle that'll illuminate your world with the sweet scent of citrus. We've all been there. You're struggling to open a jar, your hands are sweating, and you're starting to question your own strength. Just slip on a rubber glove and prepare to channel your inner superhero. The rubber provides extra grip, making it feel like you've been bitten by a radioactive spider, but without the web-slinging abilities, unfortunately. Chapter 16. From paint roller to lint ninja. This hack's got you covered. Just grab a paint roller, some tape, and prepare to wage war on those pesky fibers. Wrap the tape around the paint roller, sticky side out, and boom. You've got yourself a makeshift lint roller. That's perfect for removing pet hair, dust bunny, and even those embarrassing glitter spills. Chapter 17, Straw versus... But fear not my very loving friends, because we've got a hack that's very good. Just grab a straw and prepare to become a strawberry prepping ninja. Insert the straw through the bottom of the strawberry, pushing it up towards the stem. The straw will push the stem out, leaving you with a perfectly whole strawberry. Chapter 18. Rubber band to the rescue. The ultimate car phone mount hack. Yet genius trick that will make your driving experience so much smoother. But sometimes you need a little hands-free help navigating those mean streets, whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a cross-country adventure. Having your phone within easy reach is crucial. Fear not my road-tripping friends, because we've got a hack that's both safe and convenient, no more fumbling around or taking your eyes off the road. Just grab a rubber band and prepare to transform your car into a tech-savvy chariot. This everyday item is about to become your new best friend. On the road, loop the rubber band through an air vent in your car, then secure your phone in place. It's quick, easy, and incredibly effective. Boom, you've got yourself a makeshift phone mount. That's perfect for using GPS or taking those all-important hands-free calls. Stay safe, stay connected, and enjoy the ride. Chapter 19. Muffin Tin Party Condiment Trick. King Queen status achieved. But fear not my party planning friends, because we've got a hack that will make you envy of every host and hostess. Just grab a muffin tin and prepare to achieve Condiment King Queen status fill. Each cup of the muffin tin with a different condiment. Ketchup, mustard, relish. You name it, boom. You've got a condiment station that's both organized and visually appealing. Chapter 20, From Sponge to Ice Pack. DIY relief for all your boo-boos. But fear not my accident-prone friend, because we've got a hack that'll soothe those aches and pains. Just grab a sponge, a plastic bag, and prepare to become a DIY doctor. Toss that bad boy in the freezer and boom, you've got yourself a DIY ice pack that's perfect for soothing those bumps, bruises, and questionable dance moves. Outro, subscribe for more life-changing hacks. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found these life hacks as mind-blowing as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And don't forget to share your favorite hack in the comments below. Did you try the orange can? Let me know. See you next time.